Okay guys, so really quick review. Just received a box from Newbee. Thank you very much. Literally just came back from work and I had a quick pick already, but I'll let you know what's in the box. So these here are absolutely gorgeous and awesome Newbee Impalers aluminium CNC rims for electrical mountain boarding or longboarding. Da 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 da. What do you get in the box, guys? So you get the Allen key to put it together. If you are using 9-inch rim tires, which I will be doing, please also order the 3D printed spacers. This is to make the 9-inch tires work for you well. And I am going to use Tramper mud pluggers, which came in as well. Very nice. These will be red ones, so I'm quite excited. So now let's have a look at the actual rim. Ba 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 bam. I went for the red one. So these are the Impalers. You also got another style, I forgot what it was called, but it's quite nice. But I really like the Impalers for the fact that the bolts are hidden away. You can't really see them, so when you ride, that's all you see. Beautiful. So they were anodized and then machined over again. So the seat where the bearing goes is pure aluminium, and also you get these ridges as well and CNC'd out. Very beautiful. This is gonna look awesome on my new test board. Yeah, absolutely spot on. What else you get in the pack, guys? So you do get the spacers for the bearings, which is good. You also get this adapter for your air pump, which is nice because of the angle, the way it's going to come in into the tire. You want this adapter, but it's being sent to you for free, which is good. And you get all the screws to put the rims together and to assemble them onto the drives or whatever you're using. So yeah, spot on. I like that. Nice touch that you do get a tool as well. Beautiful. So yeah, quite happy. We'll be installing this soon, guys, and we will be testing this beautiful test board. If you haven't seen the video yet about the test board, have a look. Yes, don't laugh about this. This EC enclosure is free and it's made in Great Britain and it's really awesome. So anyway, got all this already on my channel. Have a look, you'll know what this board is all about. Anyway, see you soon. Build safely, ride safely. Peace.